Nirvana. For the marination, we need salt, turmeric, chili powder, black pepper, curry leaves and lemon. For the cooking, we need green chili, ginger, curry leaves and coconut milk.
Now I am mixing all the ingredients for the marination. Now I will apply the masala onto the fish. Now is the time for frying the fish. I am cooking the both sides for a few minutes. Now it is the correct time to take it out. I will put banana leaves on the pan and wait for a few seconds to soften the leaf and put the fried salmon on it. The main ingredient for making nirvana is coconut milk, so I am adding coconut milk. Now I am adding some ginger. Also, I will add some chilies and curry leaves. Now I'll add some black pepper and coconut oil. When coconut oil and coconut milk are cooked together, a good taste will come. Now the nirvana is ready. Thanks for watching.